And today I together with my group mates will be promoting and discussing multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Have you ever heard the words of multimedia and ICT? If not, our group 4 will be providing enough information.
Multimedia refers to the use of multiple forms of media such as text, graphics, video, audio, and also animation to convey information or entertain to an audience. ICT stands for Information, Communication, and Technology. Also, it refers to the structure and component and available modern computing, including networking, component and application, and system to allow people and organizations to interact into the digital world.
Now, into some benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century.
First, improvement entertainment, introducing fresh and cutting-edge methods for producing and consuming material, multimedia, and ICT have revolutionized the entertainment
Have access to a variety of entertainment alternatives. Thanks for the streaming services, video games, and also virtual to the other multimedia platforms.
Second, enchanted learning. Students may be additional possibilities to interact with the material and learning through video.
Third, improved communication. People can now communicate with each other more efficiently and easily than ever thanks to multimedia and ICT.
Fourth, improving the quality of education. The educational process can significantly enhance both student understanding of the subject matter of improving the quality of education.
Increase productivity. Multimedia and ICT both increase productivity across a number of industries